I'm Channing McCorriston, the container guy. If you have a shipping container and you need to drive things inside, we have some new rubberized plastic ramps that China just sent us, and they wanted us to test them. So in this video, we are going to destructive test them, and I promise you we will break them. So let's see what breaks them. Let's go! Well, that was uneventful. They clearly handle a car, and I think it could handle a car quite a few times, so that didn't break them. Follow along in this video. We are going to break them, and it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Woo! Well, the car was uneventful. Let's try a half ton. Good thing I washed her for the occasion. Fits. I'm sure you guys have seen our electrician, Travis, with A&R Electric before in our videos.
On a gathering storm comes a tall, handsome man in a dusty black coat with a red right hand.
We're bringing out the big guns with this one. We got the Super Duty, and we're gonna see if the rubber ramps meet their match with the Ford. Hopefully this thing fits. We'll see. Fire it up! I think you're good. Lots of room. You can, yeah, you're good, but you can back out if you want now. So these things didn't even flex when the Super Duty went over them, so I'm actually quite impressed with that. But I do know we have heavier equipment around here that will crush these, so let's try that out. Figure they got more weight on the back end with the counterweight here, so this will be more PSI. I'm expecting this will crush them. If it doesn't, these are for sale on our website. So here we go. This is like my second time driving this new top lift, or actually side lift. I'm sure I can figure it out. Did they break?
Yes.
How bad?
Not bad, I stopped
Oh, I think we can break them more. They're pretty broken. Not for top lifts. How'd they do?
Not well.
Oh, they're still good. Still good for your golf cart. I think that's what these are typically meant for. Oh, phone's ringing. Container guy. Let's go try breaking them on the other one. So this top lift here, it lifts 100,000 pounds. I think it weighs about 160,000 pounds. We know that counterweight is heavy enough to crush these, so let's do it. Really excited to show China the video on this. Am I off them? That was sweet. How'd they do?
Not well.
Not good?
No.
They look okay.
You double them up, they might be more.
Well, it's probably the absolute worst sales video that we could have possibly done to show off the new ramps that we have coming, but we do, I think, have a whole pallet or two of them coming in a container, and these things are actually pretty sweet. I'm really surprised what they did handle. Your Stupid Duty there, the Toyota. Basically anything that you can actually fit inside of a shipping container, these things probably are going to handle. I'd still like to try it out with a SHOP forklift, and maybe I can update you guys with that in a future video. But for now, if you enjoyed this video watching me destroy these things, please help us out, give the video a like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell for notifications. And as always, check us out at tcg.ca. Hope you learned something.